filmmakers. Why? When we contribute to the process of filmmaking, it is because we are not respected because of people that don't show up in some ways, that don't get there prepared, people that don't read their script on set. I mean, I am myself guilty of it because we get so lost in that. So like you get relaxed, and that's where we need to stop that. I get really passionate about these topics, and I did like some sort of notes thing that I put to my methodology. I hope what Kokodolaba is a dreamer or a visionary. Even if you don't have to see to dream, because I think that's what they get. I actually awake and consciously to actually dream, and understand that with that dream comes a lot of work. Leads us to know our why. But I think our dreams drive our why, and that's important. Knowing your why. Why are you doing what you're doing? The reason behind it. And once again, that will always keep you when everything else is meeting your screen. That is the thing that will say, whoa, come back. This is not why you're here. So knowing why we enter is very important. I think we should always reason. Because once again, you might think about what's his basis, but that is not it. That's still on the surface. There's still like a deeper thing that you need to access. And as an actor, you will be forced to get deep down when you deal with those characters. And if you can't do it alone as yourself, you can't keep on reflecting and reevaluating the person that you are. And if you're still on the right path, that's going to be a problem. So like, how does one become an actor? It's a question that we get a lot of the time. But yeah, it's inboxes about I'm full actor. Where do I go or how do I go about it? And there's a lot of things that I've heard, and there's a lot of things that I've seen or I've done as well. So I made some most of it. But once again, you must love it. You must understand why and the truth of your why. Research and 2 years and know the industry that you're getting into. Because so to because the passion is great. It sort of shortchanges us when singers who are together with our offices told that that's my work. You know what I mean? So constantly research what it is you're trying to get into so that when you put it in a corner, you can stand up for yourself and say, no, you can't judge me. I know my worth. And that's important. Knowing your worth, see, explore all the time. But no exposure, man. Who gets paid with exposure? But also in us getting paid with exposure, know where you are, understand your level, understand where you have to put in the work. Understand that as a short films, they are going to pull through with a series, a telenovela that's not going to end, a soap, because I have done my thing. Pay your dues. The generation is entitled. We are entitled so much. We think about we deserve to be done. We deserve to find control. We deserve to have that agency when we did not put in the work for it. And that's important, right? That research is important. And try to get yourself trained. Yes, community theater, you don't have to pay for that. These kind of spaces, what you're running, we need more of this. You know, where people can actually get to learn what it is that they want to do. So that I don't know, like 12 they want to do this thing. Because I know that it doesn't take as much as I thought it did. Find an agent. This is the word, it's the reason that I Cape Town as well. When you don't have that qualification next to your name, you're not considered an actress or an actor. No one thinks that they can represent you. like relatively extra agents, like South Manapapa commercials, what yeah, whatever, you know what I mean? And I think when your dream is bigger than that, it wants you to at the back. Being an extra is not a bad thing. That I'm saying I'm not downplaying extra students. If being an extra, but I'm not gonna look at a restaurant. These are main characters, I think what you know what I mean. So being an extra